Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming power and storage so the process won't fail midway. Open your phone settings, go to Backup, and select a target, cloud, PC, or external drive, then sign in. Once selected, toggle automatic backups off or on depending on control you want, and start a manual backup now to create the initial snapshot. This first run copies app settings, photos, and messages. Make sure Wi-Fi is stable, because cellular data can be slow or costly. You now control what gets backed up. Choose apps, contacts, photos, messages, and system settings so you don't waste space. Once you press start, watch the progress bar and check for error messages. Pause if the battery dips or network weakens. After completion, inspect backup size and timestamp to confirm currency. If space is tight, remove outdated backups or prune media before the next run. This step ensures recoverability and keeps future restores fast and predictable. You finish by testing a small restore to confirm everything works. Pick one contact or photo and restore it now. When restoring a full device, sign into the same account and enter any encryption passphrase you used, because mismatched credentials block access. If something goes wrong, check storage quotas, network stability, and app permissions, then retry. If errors persist, export critical files manually to a PC or external drive so you don't lose important data.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.